I'm here with Alex, and what's the story here, Alex? We've got an annex.
Yeah, another annex, which we're building a lot of now. So this is a 24 by 8 annex, 7320 by 2440. It's tucked tightly into the garden. As you can see, it's quite a fair sized garden, and I've managed to tuck that right up in the corner so it's not taking up a lot of space in the garden, utilising all the space. And this one's got a nice deck on front of it, and the air corners are visible as well, as you can see.
Okay. Can you give me a little tour?
Let's have a look. So on this one we've got 1.5 walls and 1.5 walls. So they limited the windows. So there's just 4 windows, 12 foot of windows.
Okay.
3660 windows.
Okay.
Wipe your feet. So you see, we do a granny annex a little bit smaller than this. So what we were looking at is, could 2 people live in here? And they can, because this is.
How do you know?
Well, this is a holiday home that we bought for ourselves and for our workers, and they all come down and they all love it. And we decided to put the studio in the corner to test it, because you know, we read something the other day, don't we? Like, do you try your own products? You know. So we thought, let's get one, and you know, it's all right saying I'll live in it for a day or I'll live in it for a night. But you know, I lived in this for 5.5 days last week. And to be honest, I'm desperate to get back because it just works. It does work. It's so relaxing.
So that was you and Karen then, wasn't it?
Karen, my wife, yeah. So we stayed in it for 5.5 days, and it was just so easy and so nice. So it's compact. It's got a double bed and the chairs, so we could sit and chat.
So there's a couple of chairs there, yeah.
Yeah, we used a projector TV to project videos and TV onto the wall. That was really good. So we spent 5.5 days in here. We obviously went out for meals, but one of the things that we did do was cook a lot. So
okay, and you used the kitchen in the annex.
Yeah. So obviously this is the bedroom.
And there's a bedroom unit there.
Yeah. This is the bedroom come living area. So what we've got in here is 2 chairs, bedside cabinets, double bed.
And the double bed's got storage as well, hasn't it?
Double bed's got quite a lot of storage, which is another conversation. It's got quite a lot of storage in there.
So you've got storage there, storage here.
Yeah.
So for 2 of you.
So more storage.
Yep.
So
Great.
for 2, I mean, we were here on holiday mode, accepted. But if you were single living in here, there's more than enough space to put all your stuff. And if you downsize all your stuff, you know, it's made me realise you don't need a big house, just downsize. And I could quite happily live in one of these with no worries.
Yeah.
So shall we?
Yeah, and then there's a kitchen here.
Yeah, so one of the things that we were going to discuss is IKEA. You can't beat their prices and the quality of the products, you know. If somebody asked me to make them a set of shelves, I couldn't buy the wood for the price that IKEA sell you the shelves for. So that's why we've used the IKEA chairs, the IKEA wardrobes.
It's an IKEA bed as well, isn't it?
IKEA bed. I mean, and this is the world famous IKEA Billy bookshelf. And they reckon there's one of these sold every 5 seconds in the world. So that's why they're competitively priced.
Yeah.
You know, and we've adjusted things within our studio to let IKEA stuff fit.
To accommodate it.
Yeah, because that's, you know, what you pay for that. It's next to nothing. And then you have got a quality shelf. And if you wanted to replace it because it got damaged, it's so easy.
Yeah.
So the table and chairs. And then,
so going around the room then, we've got the microwave.
Yeah, what we've got is here, we've got a microwave oven grill. So we can...
Oh, it's a grill as well, okay. So and an oven.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
And we've got the fridge freezer. So we've got
fridge and then the freezer down the bottom. Brilliant.
So obviously if you're cooking, what you do need is space. So we've got our eating area, and now we've got this area here. So kettle, microwave, fridge freezer, and then this is quite a good bit of kit that we bought, and that is a frying pan.
A what?
A frying pan.
Okay.
Bought it off Amazon. You plug that into there, plug it in, so it doesn't get hot. Plug it in, and then you can use that as a frying pan. So we cooked quite a lot of stuff in there. We didn't struggle one bit for cooking.
Right.
Not,
So that's instead of like you've got an induction hob in here as well,
so,
haven't you?
yeah, so that's a frying pan. That was £21. IKEA again. Got my glasses. IKEA again. An induction hob. So you need an induction pot. So you can put that where you want. Cook what you want with it. So you've got your grill, you've got your oven, you've got your induction pot, and you've got your frying pan. Again, for 2 people or 1 people, obviously not going to throw a dinner party in here.
Yeah.
But for that, you've got everything that you need to cook.
Yep.
You've got your sink.
Hot water.
Hot water. I mean, one of the things that you can do is these cupboards below, you can swap them for washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, if you chose to.
Okay.
But that's up to yourselves whether you want to do that. We don't need a washing machine in here. And in most instances, the house will have the washing machine, your main house. Remember, this is an annex.
Yep.
It's part of an existing house. That's how it passes all the planning laws and Caravan Act. But you can't have it, so it's a totally separate dwelling.
Yep. It has to be ancillary to the main building, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's lots of storage in here, and we've got these drawers underneath the cupboards. I mean, we haven't even put anything in them. Plenty of drawer space, cupboard space.
Okay.
And
then you've got your bathroom.
Which you've seen 100 times. Just hasn't changed. It's the same bathroom, shower, sink, toilet, boiler cupboard,
Oh, yeah, that's your
heater,
boiler.
fan.
Heater, which got very good comments from Maria and Yolanta, the two customers we visited recently.
Yeah.
And the loo, and the sink, and the all-important mirror, and the shower.
Yeah. Again, IKEA for your bathroom cabinets. You just can't beat the prices. You go in there, you look at the price. Well, we can't compete with this. You can't beat them.
Well, it's like you say, you can't buy the materials.
No, you can't. So
for what
they're selling it at. So, I mean, obviously they don't do these buildings, so it made sense to us. Why don't we incorporate IKEA stuff into our buildings?
Yeah.
And adjust certain sizes that they use. 800mm, for example, is the size that they use. 1210mm is the size that they use. So we've made walls 1210mm, walls 400mm to accommodate their stuff.
Yeah.
Walls 800mm.
Yeah. And this is your sitting area with a couple of windows.
Yeah.
So you get lots of nice daylight.
Well, it is nice. I mean, as I say, we sat here eating, playing Trivial Pursuit, and we had breakfast, dinner, and tea here every day. We didn't bother going out to eat, and it was wonderful.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
Excellent. Well, that's lovely. Thank you for that.